Hey guys, we're going to play a game together, and this is called Getting to Know My Teacher, an interactive game. So what I'm going to do is go through a slideshow, and I'm going to ask you a question. And on the computer, I just want you to guess what you think the answer is, and in the next slide, I'll share the answer with you. Okay, here we go with the first question. What is my favorite color? And so we're talking about me here, Miss Palmer. What's my favorite color? I actually have a lot of favorite colors, but my very favorite color is purple. And the reason I chose purple is because I went to Glanton Heinzman and other Villa Rica schools, and our colors are purple and gold. So this is a picture of me when I graduated high school. How many siblings do I have? So siblings is another word for brothers or sisters. How many do you think I have? If you guessed one, you are correct. I have one little sister. Her name is Delaney. What is my favorite food? What do you think? I have two favorite foods, ice cream and sushi. Now I will say I don't like them at the same time, but those are my two favorites. Which month is my birthday month? There's 12 months in a year. Which one do you think it is? July. July is my birthday. July 10th is my actual birthday, and me and Aaron share a birthday. Hey Aaron, birthday buddy. What is my favorite subject? So subjects are the different topics that we learn in school. Different topics like reading, math, social studies, science, exploratory, like STEM or art or music. Which one do you think is my favorite? Oh, can't forget writing either. All of the parts of school are my favorite. I love learning. I still love learning even though I'm an adult. So I love all parts of school. Do I own any pets? Some of you already know the answer. Yes, I own two dogs. Rayleigh, who's this little brown one right here, and Reese's. We call her Reese. They are sisters. They were actually born at the same time, like twin sisters. We got them when they were almost 4 years old, and this was when we were celebrating their 4th birthday. Do I have any kids? If so, how many do you think I have? Not yet. We have no kids yet, but one day we want to have kids. What's my favorite number? Have you ever thought about your favorite number? I bet if you've played a sport before, you probably have a favorite number. What do you think mine is? The answer is 2. I chose the number 2 as my favorite number because it's the number that I was in volleyball when I played volleyball and when I played soccer. This is me right here when I was in high school and we played volleyball. Where was I born? So we'll learn this year and next year, a little bit about our world. This is a picture of the world, and in our world we have continents, and in our continents we have countries, and in our country of the United States, we have states. Do you know which state you live in? All right. The answer for me is Minnesota. That state is up north in the United States. I'll have to show you a map one day. And they have very cold winters and lots of snow. How many states have I lived in? Here's a picture of the states. Here's Minnesota. This is where I was born. This is the state of Georgia, which is where we live right now. We live about right here in Georgia. All right, how many states have I lived in? If you guessed 2, you are correct. Minnesota is the state that I was born in, and Georgia is the state that I grew up in. What time do I wake up in the school year? During the weekdays, of course. Weekends are for sleeping in. What's your guess? 5 o'clock in the morning. But I usually hit the snooze button a couple times. You see this sleepy dog? He's snoozing away like I like to do in the mornings. Next question. Who is my favorite cartoon character? This is a tricky one because I'll be honest with you, I don't watch cartoons much. But I do like a lot of Disney movies. But my favorite cartoon character? It's my cartoon character that looks just like me. What do I like to do on the weekends? So when I'm not in school, what do you think Miss Palmer likes to do? I love to read, go on hikes, lay in my hammock, ride bikes, and rollerblade. Those are some of my favorite things. I wonder what you like to do on the weekends. All right, do I like to drink coffee? What do you think? Yes or no? The answer is yes. So much. In fact, I have some coffee right here. Love it. What do you think? What is my favorite thing about my job as a teacher? What do you think? My favorite part of my job is getting to meet my students. All right, let me move this right here. These 2 pictures I added are some of our friends in the classroom that I got to meet last week when they came in to visit. I look forward to meeting the rest of you this week. I know I've got to meet with some of you on the computer. Some of you I haven't met yet, and I can't wait to meet you. I hope you have a great day. I had fun playing with you. Bye.